I have a little bit of dark chocolate. This is tempered, but you don't have to use tempered chocolate if you don't know how to temper it. I do have videos on my channel if you do wish to learn how to temper chocolate. And with a good sized brush, just get in to your mold and start creating that first layer of shell. This mold here, very, very inexpensive, about $4. You can find these at all kinds of craft shops and on Amazon online. So just paint, paint, paint. So what I want to do here is just build up my first layer. And that looks pretty good for my first layer of shell. So this is about 10 minutes later. I'm just going to use this and I'll just show you I can actually scratch the chocolate, which tells me that I can now apply another layer. So I'll grab my little brush and then I'm just going to start painting on my second layer. For our next step, we're going to fill this with homemade caramel. I have many recipes on my YouTube channel where I show you how to make caramel from scratch. So let's fill these up with caramel. Okay, that's good. I've got some peanuts here. So I thought we'll do a few with peanuts. Peanuts and caramel and chocolate, they go so well together. And then we'll just start getting the caramel in there. Okay, and that's perfect, just like that. So I have just filled up a piping bag with some more of the same chocolate that we used for the shell, and I'm just going to open this up. Have a little bit of a cut on the end. And then we're just going to fill all of these with chocolate. So we'll cap them off. And this chocolate right now is around 32 degrees Celsius. You don't want to have hot chocolate, otherwise you'll melt everything. So just get that on there. I don't want to go over. I'm going to let that just settle with gravity. You can see the piping bag is the way to go. Very, very easy. If you don't have a piping bag, use a very small spoon. I'm just checking these over and they look very, very good. So at this point, we're going to put these into the fridge for 10 minutes. I want the chocolate to really chill down quickly, and then I will bring them back out and I'll leave them on my work surface here for many hours. So this is several hours later, and I am ready to unmold these. So I'm just going to get this over like this and flip them over because I don't want them to break on me. Get that there so we can see this on camera, and then we will give it a little bit of a tap. And look at this already. I've hardly tapped it and some of them are coming out, and that's the magic of tempered chocolate. You can see here that there's only a little spot here where it's actually holding on right here. You can actually, sometimes you can just press it a little bit and they'll come out, but let's just give it a little tap. And one left. And there we go. Well, let's just take one here and just flip it over. I'll do another one here. And you can see we did a pretty good job on capping the chocolate, just finishing it off on the bottom, and that looks pretty good. So let's cut into this dark chocolate for some really good caramel goodness. Whoa, look at that. Let's flip that over. Look at the caramel in there. Oh, that looks amazing. If you love caramel and chocolate, you've got to try this out. Got to go in for a little bite. That is amazing. You cannot beat homemade caramel. I do have a bunch of recipes. If you want to learn how to make that, check out my YouTube channel, Bake Like a Pro. Many recipes on how to do that. I even have one recipe on how to make butterscotch. So hopefully you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.